Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namitha. We'll continue with the chapter A Peak Beyond the Point, Grade 7 Mathematics of the new NCERT textbook Ganitha Prakash. So let us try to solve this exercise. In each group, identify the longest and the shortest length and mark each one on the scale. So first let us see. Here it is 3 upon 10, this is 3 upon 100, and this is 33 upon 100, right? So what I suggest that you should convert all of them into like fractions. Here 2 are 100th and this is given in 10th. So if you want to make it 100th, you can write zeros over here. So this becomes 30 upon 100, this is 3 upon 100, this is 33 upon 100. So once you convert that, then it's very easy for you to identify which is the longest and which is the shortest. But first let us mark them. Okay, now you can see this is 0 and this is 1, and these are the 100 parts. Okay, so like this one is first one, we have converted, this is 1 upon 10 actually, which can also be written as 10 upon 100. Okay, because there are total 100 parts, and if you count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so out of 100 this is 10 part. It is also 1 upon 10 if we just count the longer lines, the 10 parts. That's why they are same. So we'll start marking them. So this is 10 upon 100, so this is naturally 20 upon 100. So the third one will be 30 upon 100, this one. So they have asked 30 upon 100, which is 3 upon 10. So we mark, we can just show it by an arrow. This is 30 upon 100, which is equal to 3 upon 10. I'm writing both the ways again and again so that you don't forget. Then it is 3 upon 100. So 3 upon 100 means 1, 2, 3, the third line. Okay, so this is 3 upon 100, the third line. Let me just clear it once again. This is the third line, 3 upon 100. Now let us see 33 upon 100. So this is 30, so this will be 40 upon 100. So 33 will be between 30 and 40. So 1, 2, 3. This is 33 upon 100. Once you mark them on the number line, it is easy to identify the shortest and the longest length, right? Because the one which is on the left side, the leftmost side will be the shortest. So naturally, this is the shortest. So I'll just write it here. So shortest is 3 upon 100. And the longest, you can see this is on the right hand side and this is in the middle. So naturally, longest would be 33 upon 100. So first you should mark the points on the number line, and then it's very easy to identify the longest and the shortest. So let us write them, all of them in the same form, right? So what we will do over here, this will be equal to, I'm writing it separately over here, 3 whole 1 upon 10. We can write it as 31 upon 10. Okay, this is already 30 upon 10, so no need to change. And the third one, that is 1 whole 3 upon 10, can be written as 13 upon 10, right? So then it would be easier for you to identify the longest and shortest and mark them, right? So this is 13 upon 10. This you can see, this is 10 upon 10. 1 is equal to 10 upon 10. Right now we are talking in terms of 10th part, so I'm not writing the 100th part because all of them are in 10th part. So this is 10 upon 10. So 1, 2, 3. third line. This will be 13 upon 10, right? 11, 12, this is 10. So 11, 12, 13. So this is 13 upon 10. Correct? Then we have 30 upon 10. So this is 30 upon 10, 3 whole. I have already written here, so I'll just mark this. 30 upon 10 comes here. Then is 31 upon 10. So 30, after 30, it comes 31. So this little line will be 31 upon 10, right? Now, based on the markings, you can decide which is the shortest and which is the longest. So the left hand most would be, I'm not writing again, I'm just showing you so that it's easy for you to identify. So this you can see it is on the left hand side, so this will be shortest length. Okay, and this is on the right hand side most, so it would be the longest length. Okay, this one, first number after 30. Now question number C, this is 45. First one is 45 upon 100. Second is 54 upon 100. Now this is 5 upon 10, which I told you we make it as 50 upon 100, and this is 40 upon 100, right? So if we see the marking between 0 and 1, this is 10, first one is 10, 20, 30. So naturally this will be 40 upon 100. And the next longer line will be 50 upon 100. So first we mark the ones which are little easy. And the round ones, round figures. If you mark them, then it's easy to identify the numbers which are in the middle. So between 40 and 50, it is 45 naturally. So the longer line, little longer line. This is 45 upon 100. Okay. And then is 54. So after 51, 2, 3, fourth line. So this is 54 upon 100. I hope once you convert them into the same part, either 10th part or 100th part, it becomes easy for you to identify. Now again, you can easily tell which is the shortest and which is the longest. So we'll mark it with a different color. Here you can see this is on the left side. So this is the smallest. I'll write it here so it's visible. Smallest, or you can say shortest. So 40 upon 100 or 4 upon 10 is the shortest, and 54 upon 100 is the longest because it is on the right side of the number line. So just remember, whichever number is on the left side will always be shorter than the number of the right side. Now let us see question number D. Here you can see again there are 3 numbers. Just see this is together, don't mix it up. So this is 3 whole 6 upon 10, we make it 100. So this becomes 60 upon 100. This is already in 100, but what we'll do, we will put a 0 over here because there is no 10th. Okay, wherever 10th is missing, you write the 10th part, put a 0, and wherever 100th is missing, write 0 for the 100th part. Now this is together. So this we write it in the form of 366 upon 100. So this is 306 upon 100. Let me write it again. This is 306 upon 100, and this is 360 upon 100. Right? All we have converted into hundredth form. Okay, though they have given this in 10th form. Now let us see, this is 30 upon 10, that is 300 upon 100. It's 310 upon 100. So first we mark 306. So this is 5. So naturally this will be 6. So this is 306 upon 100. Then we see 360. So 360 is also equal to 36 upon 10. So this is 360 upon 100. Okay, and then it is 366. So this is 370, this is 360. So 66 will be, this is 5, 365. So naturally the next line would be 366 upon 100. Right? Now you can easily say which one is the shortest and which is the longest, right? So the left hand side, so this is shortest. And the right hand side, and this is the longest. Okay. Question number E. Here there are three numbers. One is 8 upon 10, 2 upon 100. This is together. Just see the comma over here, so don't make that mistake. So this can be written as 82 upon 100. Remember the other way of writing this. 8 upon 10, 2 upon 100 means 82 upon 100th. This will remain same, 9 upon 100. And this becomes, you can put a 0 over here because there is no 10th. So 108 upon 100. Right? So we have converted all three of them into 100th part. So it's easy for us to understand and mark the numbers. So if we see, now first let us see, this is 0 and this is one whole. So first the bigger lines, they are the 10 parts. So we can say it as 1 upon 10, or you can say it as 10 upon 100. We need 10 upon 100 because we have converted all of them into 100 parts. So 10 upon 100, this is 20 upon 100, this is 30 upon 100, sorry, this is so 30 upon 100, 40 upon 100, this is 50 upon 100. I'm writing all the longer lines so that it's easy for you to just mark the points. 60 upon 100, 70 upon 100, this is 80 upon 100, this is 90 upon 100. Now 1 will be equal to 100 upon 100. So this will be 10 more. So 110 upon 100. Once you mark all the points, it's easy for you to identify. Now let us see 82 upon 100. So it is between 80 and 90. The second line 80, 81, 82. So just mark the arrow till the second line. This becomes 82 upon 100. Let me use a different color. So this is 82 upon 100. Which one? The second line, right? The next is 9 upon 100. Now this is 10 upon 100. So one line before that, the smaller line, right? That is 9 upon 100. Now the third number is 108 upon 100. So this is 100 and this is 110. So this is 9. So this would be 8. 2 lines before 10. So this is 108 upon 100. Right? So now you can easily identify the shortest. So this is the left hand side. This is shortest. And the right hand side would be the longest. Clear? Okay. Now let us go to the next question, which is F. 7 whole 3 upon 10, 5 upon 100. Now again this is together. So I'll write this as 735 upon 100. Okay, this we club together and we write like this. This is 7 whole 5 upon 10. You convert again it in the hundreds form. So 750 upon 100. This will be equal to 750 upon 100. And the third one would be 741 upon 100. Right? Now here you can see this is 68 upon 10. So let us make it as 680 upon 100 because we have converted all of them into hundredth part. Okay, so this is 700. So naturally this will be 710 upon 100. This is 720 upon 100. Before this would be 690. So this is 730 upon 100. And this is 740 upon 100. 10, 10 will increase. You can write it as 74 upon 10 also. Okay, we need till 50, so let us write till 50. Now the three numbers which we need to mark is, one is 735 upon 100. Okay, so I'm just using the different color. This is 30, this is 40, so it will be in the mid. So this would be 735 upon 100. Next is 750 upon 100. So it is already marked. You can just show an arrow. 750 upon 100. And 741 upon 100. So this after 40, the first line. That would be 740 upon 100. Let me write down this also. This is 750 upon 100. Right? All numbers are very close to each other. So now let us mark the shortest and the longest. So the one which is on the left hand side, this will be the shortest. You can write it here, shortest. And the one which is on the right hand side will be longest. Clear? This is question number F. Question number G. Let us see the numbers. 65 upon 10, 15 upon 100. These two are together. This is 5 wholes 87 upon 100. This is 5 wholes 7 upon 100. But now here, the number line which is given over here, the 5 doesn't exist. This is 6 whole and you can't even see 10 parts. So probably there is a mistake. This should be 6 whole 7 upon 100. Now let us convert all of them into 100th. Okay. So now this first one, because this is the most difficult to understand, we make it 100th. So it would be easier. Now this is 650 upon 100 together with 15 upon 100. So we simply add them, add the numerators. So this becomes equal to 650 plus 15 becomes 665 upon 100. Okay. Second one is easy. You can see 587 upon 100. 5 whole 87 upon 100. So we write the other form 587 upon 100. Okay. And the third one we can put a 0 over here. So this becomes 607 upon 100. Right. Now let us try to mark them. Now if we see this 6 whole and if we try to convert it into 100th form, so this will be 600 upon 100 and this would be 640 upon 100. So naturally this will be 610 upon 100, 620 upon 100, 630 upon 100, If you write the whole sequence, it is always better to understand. 650 upon 100. This is 660 upon 100. I'm writing till here, and then this is 670 upon 100 because we need till 665. Now if we go before this should be 590 upon 100, and this is 580 upon 100. Naturally this will be 570 upon 100. Okay, so first we have marked all the points which we can see, the bigger lines. Now we try to mark the points. Let me change the color so it's easy for you to identify where we have marked. So if we see the first number, 665 upon 100. So this is 660, this is 670. So naturally the number which is between both. So this would be 665 upon 100. Okay. Now the next number, 587 upon 100. So this is 80, this is 85, 86, 87. So this line would be 587 upon 100. Okay. Now the third number is 607 upon 100. So 600, this is 605. So 606, and this is 7. 607 upon 100. I marked all the three. So now let us just identify the shortest and the longest, which becomes easy after marking. So the one which is on the left hand side will be the shortest. So 587 upon 100 is the shortest. And this is on the right hand side will be the longest, right? Initially, it is a little difficult to understand, but once you understand the process and the concept, it would be easier for you. So we will continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.